Good morning. We are in Los Gatos, California today. We have been asked to come in and retrofit a Greywater system that was put in 12 years ago. I think it has gotten a little tired, and so we are taking the existing framework and we are going to try to put in an AquaLoop system that we're kind of pumped about these days, and that's kind of our go-to system. What they had happening here was they would have water come in to either this small vault here, and it could just be pumped out. You can see where that union in the pipe is kind of going through the wall, and that would have been just pumped to the sewer. Or we do have a three-way valve down in here, and the water would have been pumped down to the bottom of this vault here. It would come up through these filters and overflow through the little pipe there into the gravel filter that was sitting there. You can see that we have taken out all of the gravel. The water would have exited right through here, just gravity. And there is a 620-gallon holding tank right here where that water would have ended up. And then there's a whole mechanical room that would have sensed how much water is in there, and that is what would have gone for irrigation and whatnot. It's a very sophisticated system. You know, they have not only the Greywater holding tank, but right here is a 2,000-gallon rain tank. And you can see on the walls of the house, they're capturing the downspouts. Those are little leaf eaters to keep grit and leaves and dirt out of the rainwater system. And both the Greywater and the rainwater were being used for irrigation. So this is their closet. There's kind of a brains controller. This is electrical circuitry. This is pumps for both the irrigation and hose bibs. And as you can see, it's a pretty complicated system. I believe that this could be monitored from off-site, and you could tell because of pressure in the pipes. There are a number of different pressure gauges here when things needed to be cleaned and whatnot. We're going to get away from a lot of that and just, we will put in the AquaLoop controller, and yeah, we're gonna pare this down a little bit, put in our own pump.